In this video, I'm gonna show you 5 different cool effects that you can add to your personal or client's GoHighLevel website. With these tips and tricks, you can build websites like this, or this. I have used GoHighLevel for the past 1.5 years and spent about $1,000 in their website builder or something like that. And before we get into the nitty-gritty stuff, if you want to have these docs and more resources for free, please join the Discord down below. No affiliate link or no opt-in required. But in that note, let's get into it. Alright, so we're gonna go through these 5 different things. First off, I'll show you a black and white gradient button. Then I'll give you a dashboard graphic that you can use to your website for free if you join the Discord. And then how you can apply gradients to your text and backgrounds, which is probably the most important things. And then lastly, I'll show you a cool mortgage, missed call text back and review calculators. So first off, the gradient button. You're just gonna copy this code and apply it to your GoHighLevel custom CSS. Then add the button here and apply grad bottom v3. And obviously it looks terrible right now, so what we're gonna do is change the background and the fonts to black. Then if you want to add shadows and borders, if you want to have more round corners, go right here. Apply full border, change the border color to transparent and the radius to, for example, like 10 pixels or 50. And as you can see, when I hover over it, there's this white thing, and how you fix that is just take the border off. It still has the soft corners. And if you want to add shadows to this thing, just go right here, box shadow. Change this, for example, 0 and 0 and the blur to, let's say, 10, let's say 20, and the color to white. There you can see this little glow effect and it's super cool. And let's put an inner shadow into this thing. Let's put 0 again and blur to, let's say, 10. And here's the final product. Obviously you can change the copy to whatever you want, let's say learn more. Okay, that's that. Let's go over to the next thing, which is a dashboard graphic. You can get this completely for free if you join the Discord, like I said before. Just go right here into this Canva page, share, download it as a transparent background, and let's do a full width section, 1 column, element, image. Usually you can apply it to your website. There. This is an essential graphic to have in your website. It gives your potential clients a expectation of what the user interface of your software looks like. And usually we would like to have it, you know, under the hero section. I'll show you a quick little example. This is my SaaS dark mode v2. You can get it for at www.flowweird.com/store. Like I said, here's the hero section, which is the main section of your clients when they land onto your page. And here's a example of the SaaS dashboard. But let's click this off and show you the gradient text. Just copy this custom CSS code and let's do another section, full width, 1 column, headline. How you're gonna do this is make sure that the font weight is set to at bold, and what word you want to highlight, make sure it's bold right here. Then you're just gonna copy the custom CSS code right here, gradient bold text. Obviously you can change the RGBA colors to your liking, to your brand colors. And then, like I said before, we highlighted this specific word. And let's just go right here to the custom class, type in gradient bold text. And let's just, for the sake of this video, change the background to black and this to white. Now if you want to, let's say, highlight this word, just go right here, make this bold. Then the background sections. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Canva, create a design, make it 1920 to 1080. Once you're here, you're just gonna go to elements, and let's say I want black and gold background. Go to photos, search for what you're looking for. Let's say I want this, make it 1920 by 1080. Just go right here and download it. As you can see, I tried to download it, but it says there's only one image or graphic on your design. So what we're gonna do is just go right here, adapt this and make it super small. And then we're gonna download it. Then you're gonna go back to your GoHighLevel website builder, go right here to background, and just upload the background right here. Boom. And we're just gonna make these transparent so that it looks nice. And boom. Backgrounds are probably the most important thing to nail in your website design. But just make sure that the background doesn't distract the user. So let's just make this background light fade, so the background color to black, and for example half fade. So as you can see, there's still the gold lines, but it doesn't distract the user that much. Then onto the juicy stuff. I'm gonna show you 3 different calculators that you can add to your website. So let's just make another section right here and add a code element. Copy this code, you can get it at Discord for free. Go right here, open code editor, paste it, save it, and let's preview it. And here is the mortgage calculator, fully functional, really good selling point at your website. Really professional. As you can see, it works. Let's put some random numbers here. So I don't know what this stuff is, to be honest with you. But then we'll add the ROI calculator. So we're just gonna do another code element right here. Let's actually delete this one so it doesn't distract us. Open code editor, go right here. Just follow this guide. As you can see, you have to paste a prompt to ChatGPT. Copy this, go back to the code editor, paste it, and let's preview it. Boom. Here it is. Obviously you need to tweak out the code a little bit so that it says your agency's name instead of your agency's name. Just follow this Google Doc guide and it'll be customized to your liking. Let's just put like average client value is $1,000 and the business misses 15 calls per month and close rate like 30. Let's just say that this is some kind of home service like bathroom remodeling or kitchen remodeling client. Then just calculate my ROI, 44,000 monthly revenue left on the table. And obviously you're gonna put your own GoHighLevel SaaS monthly subscription fee to this section right here. And yeah, that's the ROI calculator. Super convenient to have in your website if you're selling missed call text back as part of your offer. Then the review calculator. By the way, I got all of these calculators in GoHighLevel's Facebook group. I didn't make them myself. I just stole them, to be honest with you. And yeah, there's a lot of sauce in that group, so be sure to join it. But we're just gonna delete this and paste this right here and preview it. Boom, here's the Google review calculator. Let's say my current review rating is 4 or 3.8, desired 4.7. and 50 reviews. Boom, fully functional. You don't have to do anything, just copy and paste this code into your website. Now you can use it as a selling point, maybe show a little demo of it when you're on a sales calls with a client. And yeah, that's basically it. Make sure to comment, like and subscribe and join the free Discord down below.